Hi guys, welcome to Kylie's World. So I'm doing it. I'm doing the fast. I was doing really good. Now it's noon, okay, here, and I am a little peckish. So I'm going to warm up some bone broth, collagen bone broth. I made it myself. It is packed with a ton of nutrients that my body's going to need to physically keep going, but it's going to also let everything kind of flush out. The only thing I'm having is collagen bone broth juice and pineapple juice for the magnesium and the potassium. You need that, and that's kind of like a go, 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 so I don't like pass out. I'm doing this for 3 days. We're going to get a good cleanse going. I'm going to blog on the way through it and let you know, is this actually worth it? Should you do a bone broth collagen detox? Would I recommend this? I've got before pictures of what my body looks like beforehand and then that. And I'm also blogging, so we'll know how I feel. I actually feel good. I'm a little peckish, like I said, but I feel good. I feel good. Wish me luck.